Hello everyone, I know many of you struggle with what to have for breakfast, so today I'm going to share a unique breakfast recipe that's especially delicious, nutritious, and perfect for anyone who wants something quick and easy. Prepare a tomato, cut it in half, and remove the tough core. Then slice the tomato into pieces. Once sliced, place the tomato pieces on a plate and set aside. Take a handful of leafy greens and cut them into sections. Then place them on a plate and set aside. Next, take a section of green onion and chop it into small pieces. Put the chopped green onion on a plate and set aside. Add a little oil to the pan. Add the chopped green onion and stir fry until fragrant. Once fragrant, add a generous amount of water. Add a spoonful of salt. Add a spoonful of chicken bouillon. Add a little white pepper. Stir well and bring to a boil over high heat. Next, add 3 spoonfuls of flour to a bowl. Crack in 2 fresh hen eggs. Stir well with chopsticks. Then gradually add water in small amounts, stirring each time until it becomes a batter. Finally, mix until it reaches this thick, sticky consistency. Prepare another small bowl and crack in 2 eggs. Beat them thoroughly until well mixed. After mixing, set aside for later use. Once the water in the pot comes to a boil, add the tomatoes and baby bok choy. Then prepare a slotted spoon and pour the batter into it. As the batter drips into the pot, it forms beautiful noodle fish. After all the batter is used up, gently stir with a spatula to ensure the noodle fish cook evenly. Boil for about 2 minutes until the noodle fish are cooked and all float to the surface. Look, the noodle fish made this way are especially beautiful, rich in nutrients, smooth, chewy, and bouncy. Next, slowly drizzle the beaten egg into the pot in a thin stream, aiming for the area where the water is boiling. Gently stir with a spatula to create beautiful egg flowers. And just like that, a bowl of tomato noodle fish soup is ready. The noodles are smooth, chewy, and bouncy, rich in nutrients, with a fresh and delicious broth that's appetizing and tasty. If you like it, be sure to save this recipe and give it a try.